Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I have a very exciting video because this is Glossybox for December of 2021, the last Glossybox of the year, and it's their very first tin. Like, Glossybox tin. How cute is this? I love. Okay, so you guys, of course, as always, I will have a link down below where you guys can sign up and get Glossybox and my code where you can get your first box for $16, which is code Connor. But I'll have all that information down below. But how cute is this tin? I love it so much. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Thoughts and opinions down below. If you guys enjoy, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially if you've already clicked on this video. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, I am so excited about this tin because, oh, look at the inside. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's like a lot of products in here worth over like, I don't know, $100 and something, like $126. Great. Packaging 10 out of 10 as always. And then we have the little booklet here to give us some insight on all the products in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, so the very first product in here is from Elemis. This is a travel size. This is the Glow Priming and Moisturizer. The perfect recipe for a dewy glow. The silicone-free moisturizer primes and hydrates to... That's my dog. Like, can you hear that? It was like a long, like... Anyways, so this primer primes and hydrates to reveal a smooth and radiant complexion. It's formulated with an energizing blend of kombucha and fermented ginger to help brighten and illuminating micro minerals to help a subtle radiance. That was a lot of it together, like a run-on sentence. This little guy is $22. Makes sense. Elemis is very expensive. Oh, we got some free items in here as well. Okay, we got some teas. Great, exciting. We should try these. Lemon ginger, turmeric chamomile, turmeric ginger. Okay. Okay, so these are just free gifts. That's so cool. So this is $1 each, or a box of 30 is $11.99. Oh. These teas are just what you need this winter to keep warm and stay healthy. Sourced directly from over 150 renowned plantations and small individual farms in India. The ingredients include antioxidants, inflammatory properties, and aid with digestion. Exciting. We will give that a try tonight, right? Yes. Okay. Next product. Oh, we have a mystery product. I don't know which one it is. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so this counts as one product because it's a duo. Oh, okay. The Batiste. I literally can hear it. Like, this is it. Okay, you guys know. These are travel size, $3.99 each. I love having two. Don't like washing your hair every day? No problem. This dry shampoo provides an instant refresh, leaving hair looking, feeling, and smelling fresh and clean, so your style lasts longer between washes. The mini bottle is perfect for touch-ups on the go throughout your day. I love having two. I'm so excited. That's such a good brand. I have other ones, and I'm just like obsessed. It's great. Okay, so next we have from New Reflection. I think this might be the mystery product because I do not see it in my booklet, so I don't have like all the information. So surprise glossies. To make this month's box a little more fun and special, we've included a surprise mystery product, the Moonlight Glow Collection. We hope you love it and can't wait to see and hear what you think about it. So yeah, New Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish. Apply a thin layer onto your clean, wet skin. Gently massage in upward circular motions, taking care around the eyes. Leave on for up to 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. So is this like a buff your way to a refined and radiant complexion with this revolutionary and luxuriously whipped facial polish that enhances your skin's health and beauty long after you rinse. So I guess you can put this on in the shower or just like as like a face mask. Ooh, and it's pretty. Look at this packaging. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Smells good. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Love that. Love it. Love it. Okay. Ooh, we got another product here. This is a Larousse makeup brush. This is $28. I'm just gonna tell you, I get these in Ipsy and I'm just like, no man, this is not an expensive brush. So it's a taper blending LR120, which is, like I said, $28. Such a lie, don't believe it. Create a soft diffused contour with this blending brush made with super soft Polyflex fibers. The studded handle makes for an easy grip so you'll have a steady hand to create an eye look you're going for. Or any eye look. Yeah, it's not worth that much, but cool. Lastly, we have this here, which is $34 full size from Lash Splash, LA Splash Cosmetics. Oh. Give your face some lunar love and get a real moonlight glow. These 4 colors are exactly what you need to top off any look. Whether you want a subtle glow or steal the spotlight, your beauty will dazzle any room you walk into. So I'm gonna assume this is probably like iridescent, celeste, like highlighters maybe? Oh wow. Okay, so this is too dark for me, but these are really pretty. Those are really pretty. Oh, one's a bronzer, one's a blush, one's like either a blush topper or a highlighter, and then we have a highlighter. So yeah, definitely not gonna work for me, but it's still like super, super cute. And that is everything that came in this little tin. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!